Right then, guys, let's go out.
Okay.
You coming, Junior?
What son of a bull thing are we gonna do today?
Junior, just like relax and chill out. We're gonna have a nice day. Come on, you coming? We're going to a nice plaza at Chio.
I hope I get to kill some people.
Come on, Junior, be sensible. Yeah, look how nice this is. Look, come on.
My God, it is.
Go and get Iggy and Luigi.
Frick yeah.
Right, I'm gonna go and get them. Okay, Iggy, Luigi, Iggy, Luigi. All right, dudes.
Yeah. I think I'm all right. Just some kind of stupid, crappy bee just kicked my ass, and it hurts so much I could but be a fool.
Luigi, come on, mate. We're going on the plaza.
Oh, okay.
Be a bit more enthusiastic, Luigi.
Just Mario.
Come on, we need to get out, get some vitamin D, some sunshine. Luigi, come on.
Oh my God, Mario.
Come on, Junior's over here, come on. That's it. Look, this is the plaza, look. Let's go and have a look. Nice church there, look, as well.
Oh my God, that's amazing. God
See?
damn.
Nice church there, look.
Okay.
Well, let's have a look at this view over there. Come on, Junior. Come on then, guys. Look at this, look. Look. We're in Chio. See? We're in Chio.
Oh my God, okay, I don't think this place is a stupid
What does that say, Junior?
it says
That's not English, is it?
God damn it.
It's in Spanish, look.
My God, it
It's in
is.
French. Or is it German?
Wait.
Ah,
see-
there, that's in English. Most densely populated village in the municipality. Really? There's nobody here, though. That's pretty cool. Right then, look at the view over there, look.
Wow, I actually love this place now. This place is not a...
See the ocean? There's an island over there as
Oh
well.
my God, yeah. Hell yeah.
Do you like it, Junior?
Oh my God, wait, Mario, look at that over there.
Oh, yeah.
Mountain.
Do you like it, Luigi?
Yeah, hell yeah, Mario.
Let's relax here for a bit. Go and get Iggy. Iggy! You can't do a poo-poo in the middle of the plaza, Iggy. There's people
I'm not
around.
doing a crap, Mario.
What are you doing then?
My God, I'm just relaxing.
Put your butt away. Iggy!
I'm not putting
Iggy, it's not a nudist plaza.
I haven't even got a butt and I'm already naked.
It's not a nudist plaza, Iggy. Come on. Don't do poo-poos out there in the open.
What are you talking about? It's not a nudist plaza.
Stop shouting and get over here now. Come on,
I'm
Iggy.
already naked because I'm a freaking turtle.
Oh, fair enough. Good point. Right, come on then. Over you come. Right, let's relax here for a bit in the shade. Come on, Iggy. You put your butt away?
I haven't even got a butt.
Whatever, come on, let's just relax here. This is nice, this is. Save's been in the house all the time. Yeah? Really nice. What are we going to do then? I think
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! God, the skibbity wrist make me puke.
Junior, tranquilo a bit. Calm down, dude.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I need to throw up. I'm thinking
Well,
about
throw up somewhere else. Don't throw up round here. Luigi, come on, dude. Let's sit down. I'm going to relax. Chill out. Actually, I'm going to have a little siesta, I am. A little siesta. And I am. Iggy, get off! Iggy, what are you doing? I'm trying to have a sleep here. Trying to have a sleep here, huh?
Oh my! I'm really hurt. I literally fell off.
Iggy, go and play with your brother. Just stop it. We're having a rest. Stop it! Stop it, Iggy. What's the matter?
Oh my God! So I heard Junior scream. I think some kind of bull just kidnapped him.
Don't be silly. Will you go and find Junior? We're having a sleep.
No! I'm gonna show you proof.
Whatever. Go and come back with proof later. We're having a sleep.
Oh.
Oh. 2 minutes earlier. What have we got here then?
Oh my God! I'm gonna violate your policy.
What's going on here?
You know.
Hey, what's going on there? Guys, what are you doing?
I don't know who this is, but you put you capture me, so I'm gonna violate your policy and say swear words. Boop, 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 boop,
What have we got here?
boop,
Orange, control this little fellow.
Get off of me! Boop.
What have we got here? Looks like some sort of little turtle.
I can't say I'm a tattoo freak.
Right then, first of all, we'll silence him. Blue, nice flying punch. That's it, he's gone to sleep for a while now. Be a nice little turtle to do a nice scientific experiment on. See if we can turn him into a rainbow friend. Do you think that's really wise though?
I don't know if it actually will work, because like what happens is like we were humans when you turn this into monsters, and I think a turtle would turn it into something really different.
That'd be very interesting though, won't it?
But you're blind, Vose.
You guys are boring. Just leave the poor turtle alone. Let him go. No way. This is a chance to do a scientific experiment on a little monster turtle.
I don't think Green would know if it's interesting, because you're literally freaking blind.
Blindy.
Okay, I think I've heard Junior, but I need to be careful with our voices. But just to be safe, I'm just gonna peek. My God. Guys, June's been kidnapped.
You had a nice time, Iggy?
Hell no, we need to leave this place immediately.
What are you talking about?
But Junior's been kidnapped.
What are you talking about?
I heard screaming.
Let me go and find him.
He was over there with like some other freaks.
What are you talking about? Over where?
Over there on that bench. You know,
let me go and have a look.
Not that first one, that second one.
Don't be silly. Junior was going to be sick, didn't he? He'd obviously been drinking too much of that monster drink energy stuff. Silly Junior. Let me go and find him. He must be just here somewhere.
Be really quiet to come out. There's monsters there.
Don't be silly, Iggy. You're imagining things again. Being silly. It's one of your pranks, this is. What the? What? WTF? Oh my blimey, blinking bloomies, frinking, fronking, granking, groonies, dinking, donking, blonking, bloonies, blinking, blunkily, lonk, donk, ding dongs, diddle 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 dong dong ding dong, diddle 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 dong dong ding dong, ding dong, ding dong ding, blink 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 blonk blink blonk. Iggy, what on earth's going on?
This is what I was trying to tell you!
They're like crazy monsters, they are. What are they? Have you ever seen them before?
I've seen them once in 2001.
What are they called? 2001, are you sure?
Yeah, 2021.
2021 you mean?
Okay, well,
Luigi, get your butt up. Luigi?
Couldn't you just said anything much better than that?
Come on, Luigi, listen. This is serious now. Iggy was actually telling the truth.
What's a problem, Fricchio?
No time to be silly, listen. Junior has actually been kidnapped by some really weird, crazy monster things. I think they're called like rainbow kids or something.
God damn it, Mario! I can't believe you've gone in Iggy's prank now. Now I thought you didn't even want to go in.
Well, go and have a look yourself then, but just be very, very quiet.
Bang, 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 bang. I'm putting up my ass.
Alright then, this experiment is nearly over. Let's stand back And watch what he turns into now then.
I'm Bowser Jr. Time to kill Mario Bros.
Hello? Is that the emergency, someone's been kidnapped and turned into a crazy thing, hotline? Yeah, hello. Well, basically, we've got this little turtle. You may have seen him. He's Bowser Jr.'s his name. Little turtle. Some rainbow friends have captured him. We need to get something. What? You've got a special injection over at the yellow box?
And this is about him. He's allergic to water.
Okay, so no water injections. Okay, the yellow box, where's that? Here in Chio. So as long as I can get to the yellow box and get the injection and inject him, he'll turn back into a normal, stupid little baby turtle again. Okay, thank you. How much? 1,000 euros. Okay, we'll pay it. Okay, Bowser can pay it. Junior can pay it himself when he comes back. Okay, thank you. Bye, adios, ciao. Good night. Bonsoir, ciao, arrivederci. See you later, alligators. Bye, ciao, bye. Come on then, let's find this yellow box, come on.
I don't know why I have his stick, but buy useless stick. I don't know why I never wanted.
Listen, we need to find the yellow box. Luigi, where are you? Luigi, can you see the yellow box? Luigi, it's not a time for doing a wee-wee, mate. Come on, especially not on the Plusher. Come on, where's the yellow box? Can anyone see the yellow box anywhere at all?
Oh yes, I see it.
There it is. Right, be quiet, here we go. Come on, there's the yellow box. Let's get there. There must be a secret injection here somewhere. Let's have a look. Is that it there? There it is. Yes, here it is. I've got it, guys. All we need to do now is inject Monster Junior with the injection. I've got it, guys. Here's the injection. Now, where's that Monster Junior thing? There he is. There's that thing. Oh, of course.
I'm gonna kill you, Mario. You are gonna be dead.
Yeah, come on then, if you want to fight. Junior, are you all right, Junior? Junior,
I'm passing out.
you had a nasty dream, Junior. Come on, Junior, Iggy, get over here to your brother. Come on, Junior.
I'm gonna carry that. Oh, it's too heavy.
Junior, listen. We had to save you, but it cost a lot of money, and you're gonna have to pay.
What the hell do you mean save?
You was kidnapped by them rainbow kids.
You said it was literally a dream.
Well, okay then. Well, you was kidnapped in your dream, but it cost a lot of money to get you back.
But I'm already back.
I know, yeah, but you've got to pay it. Otherwise, you're going to have to go to jail. It was 1,000 euros.
Okay, fine.
Get your card.
Give me the goddamn credit card.
Right, phone them up.
Here's my card details. Okay, scan here.
1,000 euros later. 1,000 euros later. Well, I finished the experiment and he turned into a crazy little child, but I don't know where he's gone.
So long, game Rainbow friends!
Hey, what? That's all for now, folks.